Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the cow pasture, or I'm sorry, out at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the Marlin again. All right, looks good. I am now running an HRB 2600 inner. Trying not to blind y'all. There, give her a little punch there.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Tell you what, for such a little jet, she'll slow right down for you. Whoa, that was not on purpose. That was a mistake.
Take off flaps.
Okay, we'll try that again, but with just a notch of flaps this time.
Flaps up.
Well, I tell you what, this is one fun little jet to fly.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Bring her by for a nice slow pass here. No flaps though. About half throttle. Try not to hit a bird. Definitely a concern.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, I think I'm getting to learn how to fly and land this plane. Full speed. Of course, that's into the wind though.
Landing flaps.
All right. Still got
Flaps up.
15 seconds, but I got a much bigger. Got 2600 instead of a 2200.
Time expired.
Yes, I know. Oh man, what a sweet jet. What a sweet, sweet jet. All right, folks, there you go. That's the Marlin. I'm running a 2600 HRB, 4-cell inner, and great plane. I mean, I'm just loving this jet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.